Hi there, Melody from WTI. Are you getting enough support? I definitely am. I love this body pillow from Oubonun. Let me tell you why. So not only is this quilted body pillow beautiful to look at, it's also a down alternative pillow. So it's going to be perfect for anyone with allergies. I love the two sides that it offers, the nice soft satiny side and then the quilted on the front. And it's adjustable because if you unzip this, two things, you can remove or add filling into it, or you can even take it off to wash. It does come with a pillowcase, which again is easy to help keep it clean should anybody want to use it. I also love the option to use the pillowcase or not. Either way, it gives you a completely different look and it's so beautiful. Fluffing it and folding it and squeezing it is going to get into a gorgeous, full, fluffy shape. And the balance of firmness and plushiness was going to improve your sleep. It's going to be good for any kind of sleepers, whether they're a back, stomach, or even a side sleeper. I love how this gives me the support that I need too. I just put my knee up on there and it relieves my back and any strained muscles that I have. I just love everything that it does. The look, the feel, the firmness, the softness, and how I can adjust it. So it's perfect for me. So if you're looking for support, if you're looking for quality, right here, you're gonna love it just as much as I do. I'm positive of it. And that's my point of view.